Well, last week it was dogs. This morning we're talking about cutting the claws on a cat. A little more difficult.
I was going to say, even more challenging. Here's News 10 ABC's Steve Caparizzo with some trimming tips in this morning's Pet Connection Extra. Cap.
Thank you. I've always said it's good to start them young when it comes to clipping nails on cats. They get used to it. But with the right tools and techniques, it doesn't have to be that painful on you or your cat. A couple of your favorite little tools?
Yes, I love these. I think with these type of clippers, you want to make sure you get a really sturdy clipper. Some of these have guards on them as well. This one does not. This is a really good one to use. And then the guillotine method is also very good. It's personal preference.
A partner helping hold the cat will make life a lot easier.
One thing you need to keep in mind about cats is they retract their claws. So you need to extend their toenails so you can actually access them.
Sure.
The best way to do that is to take one finger on the bottom of the pad, another finger on the top, and push. When you're cutting the nail, for animals with white nails, you'll see the white part of the nail and then you'll see the pink part. You never want to cut the pink. So we're going to do the thumb here.
So again, we've pushed it out.
I've pushed it out and you can see how it's a nice little hook. Just hook around, straight up and down, and clip.
That quick.
Just really fast. You want to make it one smooth motion.
How often should you clip nails?
The problem with cats is the minute we cut their nails, they start sharpening them up again. So cats are pretty frequent. Once every couple of weeks or so, need their nails trimmed. And again, some cats don't need their nails trimmed at all. They take care of it on their own with scratching posts.
Now, there are some cases when some cats will just not let you do it, like my cats. Ask your vet for help, and many will take the time and actually show you the best way to do it. Next week, we will have some great information on our pets and Thanksgiving Day. It may not be such a great day for them. Back to you.
Oh, such a hard day for them with all of that food. You know, it's just so tempting. It's tempting for all of us not to eat everything. Coming up on 6:20.